I don't know if you've had an Avata. I literally got it, put it into manual mode, change the all stick config and all of that, take that all off, activate it in the OSD, update the firmware, got the ND filters, got the simulator. And there's a setting in the OSD called, M mode attitude limit. I thought it was the altitude limit, meaning how high the drone goes. But really, what attitude means when you have a drone, this is what attitude means, how the drone moves. So what I was finding in manual mode, when I went to go and do a flip, went up to the object, and the drone was just like, or just a bit constipated in the turn. So when I unlocked that mode, the drone just went from to, you know what I mean.